3 years ago, I got the kind of diagnosis that makes your stomach drop. John, you have a benign essential vocal tremor. For a singer and voice teacher, that's basically career ending. But that moment also changed everything because it forced me to rebuild my voice, literally from top to bottom. Today, I'll show you how that crisis became the Mature Singer's Guidebook and how you can use this same system to keep teaching into your 60s, your 70s, and beyond. When the tremor first appeared, my voice shook uncontrollably, and trying to steady it only made it worse. I'd squeeze and strain until my voice felt weak and rough. My range basically collapsed. And honestly, I was terrified that people would find out. But instead of giving up, I started working with a brilliant speech-language pathologist, Kerrie Obert. We retrained my coordination and strengthened my voice through targeted exercises in the vocal tract and tongue. After about 6 months, I could finally sustain a note again without that unwanted shake. And those same exercises that saved my voice, well, here's a deeper truth. What helps a tremor can also help any aging voice. So I built a structured framework, and it grew into the Mature Singer's Guidebook. This is a framework for singers who feel like their voices are slipping away. I knew I couldn't lose momentum. So I gave myself 3 months to write this book. Every day, I set a timer for 25 minutes on and then 5 minutes off, often called the Pomodoro method. This focus helped me build one clear goal, a practical path to recapture, revitalize, and rejuvenate your voice. I kept the book under 25,000 words, constantly rewriting to stay focused and clear. At the core, I created a daily framework called the Hero System. 6 pillars to extend your singing life. Let's walk through it. First, H, hydration. Not just drinking water, but using humidifiers, nebulizers, healthy foods to keep your vocal cords hydrated and flexible. Next, E, for exercise. Aging doesn't mean you should sing less. It means you need to sing smarter, engaging muscles to counter age-related changes and keep coordination vital and alive. R, range. Your voice is going to change with time, but you can reclaim much of it by stretching the whole instrument daily. O, optimize. Tune your resonance and registration to smooth out breaks and reduce strain, so you get maximum tone and power with minimal effort. The next E is for energy. Mindset and emotional connection fuel your sound. Bring purpose and presence to every practice. And finally, S for sing. Share your voice. Singing builds emotional health. It's neuroprotective. It engages the whole brain. It builds confidence and community. It keeps the voice and the singer alive and engaged. Now, I want to give you one practical tool, and one of the best tools for retraining balance is SOVT work, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. So I have this straw in water. This happens to be a Dr. Vox. The back pressure created by this helps your cords align naturally, making phonation and singing easier, your range and vocal breaks smoother. Now, for mature singers, I add a twist. Stay active as you slide up and down your scales. Lift your soft palate, expand the back wall of your throat. Feel those internal muscles stretch and lift. This gentle activity keeps flexibility alive. So rather than being passive, I'm going to lift that soft palate. I'm going to stretch. I'm going to have the energy. I'm going to feel my core engage, my support. I'm working the whole body. I'm building those muscles and coordinations. For practice, here is my 25-1 rule. Practice 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and never take more than a week off in a 3-month period. That's less than 7 hours a month to keep your voice thriving. Set up your practice space. Flip a 20-minute hourglass, put your phone on silent, and sing. This book is not about trying to sound like you're 25 again. It respects the biology of the aging voice, but it gives you tools to slow these changes, to reclaim your strength, and to allow you to reveal the deeper emotional colors and experience that only a voice that has been seasoned with time can truly give. If you're an older singer who refuses to give up, or you're finally ready to start, there's a download link for the full PDF book in the description below. It's the full system I use to keep my own voice strong, and I want you to have it too. And tell me in the comments, what part of your voice are you working to rebuild, reclaim? And I'll keep making videos to help you. Keep singing. Your voice is meant to last a lifetime. We'll talk soon.